Hi, I'm Stephen Cushner, and the name of this exhibition is Over, Under, Sideways, Down, which could describe all of my paintings. There are a few threads that weave their way through all of my work. I'm old enough to have caught the tail end of abstract expressionism, so a love of gesture is in all the paintings, as well as the belief that a painting, no matter what else it is, it's a record of its making, and that every step of the painting is equally important and should be evident in the paintings. I have a really simple way of working. Each painting that I do is a back and forth from figure to ground. I always know what the motif is going to be when I begin painting. Right, so this large painting behind me, Mirror, Mirror. So this painting began half the size, but I wasn't sure what was going to happen, so I stapled up a 20-foot piece of canvas on the wall and I rolled it up like a scroll, and I painted half of it, and then at a certain point it just wasn't big enough, so I unrolled the second half to complete it. You know, painting is a curious and maybe pointless activity, so why not a painting bigger than will fit in anybody's house?